Hi guys, I'm from Math Academia and today we'll be reviewing a question on mensuration. The question shows a cylindrical vase of uniform thickness 2 millimeters, external diameter of 10 centimeters and height of 24 centimeters. It contains 1,200 cm³ of water. So the question first wants us to find the depth of water in the vase. Before we start answering part A, let me annotate the diagram. So we know that the diameter of the vase is 10 centimeters, and we know that the thickness of the vase is 0.2 centimeters on both sides. So this would give us the inner diameter of the vase to be 9.6 centimeters, which also means that the inner radius of the vase would be 4.8 centimeters. So with this knowledge, let's try and answer part A. They're asking for the depth of water in the vase, which is, we know that the volume of water in the vase is 1,200. And the volume of water in the vase is given by pi r squared h. All right, and we know that the radius of the vase would be 4.8 centimeters. So let me substitute 4.8 into the equation. I will have pi times 4.8 squared h equals to 1,200. So this means I can find the height of the water by dividing 1,200 by pi times 4.8 squared, which gives us to about 16.579 centimeters. As the question wants us to give our answers in 3 significant figures, my final answer would be 16.6 centimeters. All right. The next part of the question wants us to find the total surface area of the vase that is in contact with water. So the surface area of the vase in contact with water will be the inner circle at the base and the curved surface area here. All right, so the curved surface area can be found by taking 2 pi r multiplied by height, and the base area of the cylinder can be found by pi r squared. All right. In this case, the height would be the height of the water. So let's substitute our values in. We will have 2 pi times 4.8 times 16.6 plus pi times 4.8 squared. If I were to key in all of these values in my calculator, I would get about 197.543 centimeters squared. All right, as the question is asking us to give our answers in 3 significant figures, my final answer would be 198 centimeters squared. All right, so that's my final answer for part B. I hope you understand my explanation, and I'll see you next time. Bye!